do you feel, and would you agree with it, I know you've been a cricketer, that somewhere the excess hype over cricket has destroyed what used to be the great erstwhile national sport of India, hockey?
I won't use such harsh terms as destroyed or undermined any other sport. You know, hockey has been a national sport, and on the outside, I must say that it's a great honor to sit next to one of my heroes. You know, I mean, one of the fittest players and an icon. And I can tell you, you know, cricketers might make tons of money, but and in my heydays, I thought I was very fit. I was the fittest of the cricketers, and I, you know, couldn't hold a candle to the hockey. I trained with hockey guys, one of these, and I was out of it for half an hour. So it's amazing the kind of fitness they maintain. But, you know, Dhanraj himself answered few questions there. He used the word, Shah Rukh did not invest in hockey. You know, you only invest when you expect some returns. So that's the motto here. You know, nobody is giving anything away. There's no such thing as free lunches. So I think when people throw money at cricket, they take something out of it. It's an investment which yields return. And now you tell me, in the past 20, 30 years, even if we come up with a wonderful hockey league, will anybody make money? So, you know, you're asking for help. You're not asking people to invest, because people will never make money. So that's one issue. And I feel, you know, sorry to say that, and nothing against it, but hockey is not made for television, and the most money comes from television, because cricket is designed such that every 6 balls you have a natural break in the game where you can stuff in the ads. And let's not talk about the strategic breaks and why they came and who brought them. That's another topic altogether. So hockey is fast, it's fascinating, but it's over in 90 minutes with one break. How much can you build around it? How can you make money out of hockey?
But look at the way the Americans have packaged basketball. I mean, that's another remarkable short sport. And the Americans, in fact, used to always define cricket as baseball on Valium until T20 happened.